Back here, looks like bone might be starting to move here. And then we had right here one of the headlines: Shiba Inu token bone achieves listing on major fiat to crypto platform. All right, so I'm sure that definitely doesn't hurt things. Okay, we go down through here. I don't hold a lot in these technicals, but we're gonna take a look at them. Bone right now is a buy. Moving averages are a strong buy. Oscillators are neutral. So you can see all the blue is buy signals and the red are sell signals. All right, so only two sell signals in there. Wow. So I said I'm expecting another move up in this thing. I really am. Um, First off, let's take a look. We're going to dig into that chart in a second. You can see a lot of stuff out there starting to bounce. A lot of these RSIs are getting reset, especially the 12s and the 8s. The weeklies are still heading up, so getting some nice bounces out there. Comps up 15. Solana, kaspa, that thing's doing a fifth wave here. It's going to be close if it sets a new all-time high or not. It's going to be testing that all-time high pretty soon. If you don't know much about kaspa, go check it out. Great project. Got a great group of Cospa followers in here, so I do a lot of Cospa videos. Anyway, let's move on here. If you haven't yet, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that very, very much. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. It is still following that support line up through there, okay? Nothing is broken Bitcoin. I expected a pullback down to this area right here that circled that blue line. That's close to the 618, but Bitcoin just does not want to pull back that far, right? If we check it out here, it's only done, it's only gone between the 50% and the 618, okay? 618 is right there. I put that blue line there because that was the previous top over here, but it's not even giving us the 618 pullback. So showing a lot of strength here. This is on the weekly. You can see the RSI is still heading up. All right, the daily. Look at that daily right at the bottom. All right, it's just starting a green candle. Has a resistance line here at about 29,900 bucks. That thing's going to hit that first resistance. So they got that daily. Look at it down here. Beautiful. 12-hour. Perfect. That's what you want to see. All right. Bitcoin breaks out of here. It's going to make everything else run. All right. It's going to set bone off. It's going to set everything going. The 8 hours heading up. So Bitcoin looks fantastic right now. Okay. Bitcoin dominance just going sideways in here. You can see it right there. All right. So that thing hopefully doesn't skyrocket back up here. But right now, it's just going sideways. At some point, I'm expecting it to fire up when Bitcoin breaks 31,550, because that's a massive number for Bitcoin. We need to break that for this rally to continue. Okay, now let's take a look at Bone. You can see on the 8 hour here, getting a beautiful green candle. Now resistance. Let's see if this lines up. Sure does. All right, so we're going to watch for that to break. Okay, that's going to be that lines up pretty decent through there. Yeah, that's definitely going to be a resistance line. But right now we're up 3.66% to $1.28. All right, we're starting a trend line up here. Expect this thing to move. Look at these RSIs. Look at the 8 hour. It's starting up now. Okay, the other day when we went over them, they were just pretty flat at the bottom. These things are starting up. We got the 8 hour, the 12 hour heading up. The daily is just about ready to curve up. It's at a 10 and a 12. Down here on the regular RSI, it has started up. And we got that weekly still at the top up there. Okay, but we got the daily, the 12, the 8. I don't know where the 4 is at. The 4 is about halfway up, so this thing's looking beautiful. I expect right at that $1.35 is that our big resistance there. Okay, we need to bust above that, obviously, to get this thing going. And let's put a Fibonacci on this thing. All right, if we can get that 702, that $1.39.50 area right up there is the last fib zone. All right, if we can bust through that, which I believe we're going to do. I believe this thing's ready to go. We're starting to get a nice green push in here. We haven't had too many of them lately, been mostly red candles pulling back here, right? But I think Bitcoin's ready to move. I think Bone's ready to get going. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.